absolutely wonderful. The modern production and the singing was absolutely superb.
It was just beautiful and shocking and exquisite.
I was quite surprised when it opened, but I really loved how it really gave you that idea that he was just picking a person off a shelf.
It's such a difference to see a different setting rather than the traditional Japanese setting. It was visually quite stunning. I loved it.
The best butterfly I think I've ever experienced.
It was actually incredible. Even though you know what's going to happen, it was still like dreadful at the end. But yeah, that was just beautifully done.
Brings tears to my eyes. I cried again today.